and let's repair this board. There is lots of issue in this board. Someone already trying to repair but unable to repair. There is 2-3 issue. First, no PP bus, generate PP bus. There is a issue in charging IC. After that, no 3v3 underscore S5. There is a shorting in 3 volt. I also remove the shorting. There is multiple issue. Now laptop is on, but there is another issue. See, I connect my this with the DC power supply, and there is a connecting my thermal camera also. And when we powered on, it's convert 5 to 20 and powered on. But after power on, first hit the SMC, after hit 3 volt IC, CPU also hit, and after that stop all hitting, and SMC is continue hitting, overheating. And see, taken an 120 only ampere, but 2 volt 20 volt is convert. Now I think SMC also shorted. See, SMC is almost 70 degree, and now it of this DC supply. This is our SMC U7800, and this SMC is shorted to the ground. Maybe need to replace this SMC. This is our SMC U7800. Let's replace the SMC with the help of our donor. We have already donor boards, and this is a bald IC. See, this is a bald IC, and this is our main board. This is our donor board. Let's replace the SMC and see what is the issue. This board is trying to repair 3-2 persons. After replacing the IO, see, we connect DC power supply. It's convert 5 to 20, and now it's 1500, 1600, 20 volt convert. And this board of MacBook Pro A1707 is now ready. Thank you.